With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, our question is given that three blocks are arranged on a horizontal table ABCD as shown in the figure. The strings and pulleys are massless and both the pulleys stand vertical. The strings connect the block M1, M2 are also vertical and perpendicular to the faces AB and BC, which are mutually perpendicular to each other. If M1, M2 are 3, 4 kg respectively and M3 is equal to 10 kg, the coefficient of friction is mu is equal to 0.6. Then frictional force on M3 is. So first of all, we can analyze here 4 options are given to the value corresponding to the frictional force. Okay, now we can analyze the forces on each body. So M1 is equal to 3 kg, M2 is equal to 4 kg, and M3 is equal to 10 kg. So there will be a tension along this first body. Here also T1 is there. And towards the second body, T2, this tension is also be there, T2. There will be a force downwards M2G. Here also there will be a force downwards M1G. And the resultant of these two tension can be given as total tension, which can be written as resultant force. So first of all, we can assume that block M3 is at or the system, we can write the system is at rest. Okay, we can assume system is at rest. Then here we can see that T1 is equal to M1G, that is 3 into 10, that is 30. And T2 is equal to M2G, that is 4 into 10, which is equal to 30 Newton and 40 Newton. So what will be the resultant? Resultant force is equal to root of 40 square plus 30 square, which is given by root of 2500, that is 50 Newton. So the resultant force is 50 Newton. What about the static friction maximum? Static friction maximum. What is mean by static friction? So suppose this is a horizontal surface. I am placing a object here. I am giving a force in direction, and static friction is also opposite direction. This direction the body will move. Okay, motion. So what do you mean by static friction? Static friction is a maximum friction beyond which when we apply the force, the object starts to move. So this is a limit of the maximum friction, which should be the object should be at rest. So beyond this maximum value of static friction, what happens? When we apply force, the object starts to move. So what is the value for static friction? It is mu into n. What is mu? Equal to 0.6 for the M3. What is n? It is M3G. So 0.6 into M3 is 10 and G is 10. So here static friction is 60 Newton. So in this case, static friction maximum value is greater than the resultant force. So the object will be at rest. So here, what will be the value for this system? This system, the resultant force is 50 Newton, and beyond 60 Newton, what happens? Then only the object moves or start the motion. So the maximum value here comes for the static friction, or the maximum value. So the static friction should be, in this case, is 50 Newton. When it is becomes 60 Newton, what happens? It is a maximum value of the static friction. So our answer matches with option C, 50 Newton.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.